Resistance is futile. Wall Street bears, folks, now they're throwing in the towel and they're joining what has become, I'm calling it an American block party, right? Because the optimism is actually everywhere. I mean, this is the stock market participants. You can see optimism here. Occasionally it's gotten to this point. This goes back about 15 years, but it's rare. Above this dotted line is rarefied air. This is a combination of all the market sentiment absolutely through the roof. But it's not just market participants, folks. These are your CFOs, right? CFO confidence actually spiking. And here's the good thing. Optimism about the U.S. economy right here. Look at this big move. People are really excited. This is the highest level since March of 2021, which is an interesting date because it's not just CFOs. How about the farmers? That's right, the farmers. The Ag Economic Barometer, it is soaring. The highest level since May of 2021. You've got two things here, right? Current conditions right here made a pretty good move, 18 points. But look at the future, what they're expecting. Wow, up 37 points. Again, CFOs, farmers, everyone excited about what's happening, not just in America, but obviously in the stock market. And, well, let's face it, what's not to like when you talk about the stock market? 2024, 1980, right now neck and neck for the best election year performance in history, ever. A couple of weeks left, we'll see how that goes. And so when you see something like this, what automatically comes to your mind? People want a piece of the action. Well, how about this? Records, I mean, by far, records going all the way down about cash. It's just cascading into this market. It doesn't stop. People writing checks every single day. They want a piece of the action. And when all of this is happening, well, you know what happens next. It powers, right? It powers the market higher. But it's not now just cash. You've got help. You've got two other things helping here. Buybacks, your yellow line here coming on pretty strong. And of course, Wall Street expects earnings to play a big role. So this is not all just sort of good feeling kind of stuff. People do have things that they think are going to help propel this from a fundamental point of view. Still, the purists are out there. There's a few of them left, folks. The purists. What are the purists saying? Well, they're saying, look at the valuation. So these are your different markets around the world, right? China down here being the cheapest market right now, trading at 9.8. U.S. over here trading at 23 times. 17 is your average. So you can see it's more expensive than any other country in the world. But maybe it should be expensive. Then there's one other thing that bothers a whole lot of people. And this is not just with the stock market. It's called Murphy's Law. Let's call it the curmudgeons. The curmudgeons are always out there with Murphy's Law. And what do they say? Hey, what can go wrong? Now, it's a snide remark. But guess what? They've been saying that since October 2022. And so far, not a lot has gone wrong.